haven't been living in Thailand that long. I haven't been living on this earth that long. But one thing I can share with you guys is it's always about energy. You're gonna have your times when you run into some people that are not so friendly. Then you're gonna have them times when you run into people and you feel like you're around family. That's because you are. I've been getting treated so well here in Thailand by all the natives and all the foreigners. Literally, it's all love. And I got that treatment back home in America too. It was a lot of love. That may not be the case for some of you, but what it comes down to is it's energy. What are you broadcasting? The channel you broadcast from is the reception you get back. Because no matter where you are in the world, there you are in the world. I'm about to go view some high rises here in Thailand. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace, tribe. I came across this man earlier as I was walking into 7-Eleven, and it was really genuine vibes. I love to be able to see people hold eye contact and have a genuine exchange and conversation, or just, you know, energy. And when you come over here, they're not going to treat you no silly type of way. My phone died on me. You know, I was about to be walking around here for like a couple more hours trying to figure it out. He let me charge my phone without any hesitation. So I'm extremely grateful.
You know, one of the things that I was talking to this other brother about, it's important, I think, for our people to know, coming from America, that you're gonna have family wherever you go in this world, man. So this man just ran into family. We just ain't know each other, that's all.
That's
you with family now. So yeah, you're gonna get your phone charged. Anything we can do to help out, point you in the direction to make some of the mistakes that not make some of the mistakes that we made coming into the country. We're gonna help to do. So, you know, I always encourage brothers, man, reach on out to me, brother. Man, my wife, we got our child here. So we picked the whole family up and we're here. And we're not going back anytime soon.
Shout out to this man right here.
How y'all doing there? I'm Mr. Q. Some of y'all might know me a little bit of making our way around on this YouTube here. Got the Q bar here. One of the only black owned, managed bars here in all of Jomtien.
Yes.
So we're very happy about that. Got my main man Chris here, who is the owner of this big place and invited me in as one of his partners. So I'm really happy about that. And you know, we're doing great things here, man. And I'm really about encouraging a lot more black folks to come over to Thailand. And when you do, consider staying at the Summer Beach Inn and checking out the Q bar. I got everything you need under one roof. Only thing I don't have is a pool, but I got the entire ocean.
You got the entire ocean across the street.
Less than 100 paces away. So come on over, you know, reach out to me. You can find me on Facebook, Mr. Q. You can find me on Instagram, Mr. Q, Twitter, Mr. Q.
Nice to meet you,
brother.
Natural crop, take care of the body.
I like that.
Yeah.
Is Percy. He's from Ohio. He's from Ohio.
Shout out to Ohio.
And he came here a few weeks ago. My wife and I were standing over there, and he said, he stood in the door, he said, Mr. Q. I looked around, see this tall black fella standing there. I said, hey brother, come on in, man. Shake his hand. He said, man, I had to come meet you, man.
Yeah.
I said, what? He said, yeah, man. He said, I was sitting in my house, man, 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And I saw your damn video.
Yeah.
As soon as your video ended, I made my flight reservation and decided I was moving over this month, and I'm here.
Right,
he said,
right.
because I saw you on your video.
Yeah,
he said, I ain't going back. He said, I was miserable, I had money, I decided to retire. Well, he's still gonna work a little bit, but he said, I decided to give up my life.
Yeah.
And I moved to Thailand. He said, all because I saw your video, bro. He said, so I had to just come here and thank you. And I was just flabbergasted, bro. I was flabbergasted.
Impact.
That's what you want. You want to be able to meet that person that you can connect.
To make that connection.
Yeah. And when people say, when they say that they're coming to meet you, That's like an honor.
That type of connection right there.
That's an honor.
That type of connection.
Okay, I'm on the Orchid King. The Orchid King.
Can you spell it?
TheOrchidKing. But I will be changing the name to Living the Dream 77.
Living the Dream 77. I like that.
It's important to really get the information because I've met so much people here that have so much vital information. You can get that and connect it and then share it, you know?
Thank you.
Jay, nice to meet you, brother. Welcome to the Q Bar. You got time for a beverage?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. You got time for a
Most
beer
def,
there?
most def.
Yeah, I think I seen you online.
What? Hey,
too. I got
we
my
spread it.
camera, yeah.
Yeah.
That's all right. Well, what can I get
I
you?
love to see all the people here. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of love. There's a lot of respect. There's a lot of game being shared. You don't need to be a black man to get over here and find these connections. You don't need to be a rich man. You don't need to be an attractive man. You can just be a man. You can just be a man. You can just be true to yourself, and you're gonna find people that resonate with you on your frequency.
No, I was going to yellow.
I'm about to see what this fish talking about, you guys. So we're gonna post up.
So once you grill it, basically the salt the scale will stick to the salt, and then you can just cut the thing.
Right, just cut it off and check the meat out.
Yeah, the meat inside is sweet. It's
Very
not
tell.
so-
No, guys love this stuff, man. They come from all over to get that tilapia.
I'm gonna
That's
get
tilapia.
one.
Yeah, 160 baht, man.
Wow.
Great deal.
I'm gonna get my first tilapia here. I'm gonna order one of these. Yes. Okay, so what's the name of this place?
We call it Thai seafood, Chinese food.
Thai seafood, Chinese food.
Rimpa.
Rimpa.
Yes,
Right
Rimpa.
by 7-Eleven, you guys.
And right next to the Q Bar.
And right next to the Q Bar.
You got Jasmine health massage there as well.
And directly across the street from the Jomtien beach.
This was cooked this morning. Yeah, this was just cooked like maybe an hour ago. It's perfect. You gotta let it cook and let it roast. Man, we let that shit roast for a couple hours, bro.
Marinade.
Yeah, let that salt get into it and the flour getting into the skin. And when we give it to you, we're gonna cut this off, right? And then we're gonna cut a little section. You'll show a picture of it, I'm sure. Man, that meat, man, that should melt in your mouth, man. Pardon my language, melt in your mouth.
That's what he mean what he said.
Yeah, it melt in your mouth.
And they got many other things over here too. They got many other things, but hey, you know, I can't give the whole game away. You gotta come here and experience this for yourself. It's good vibes. It's a really, really calm environment. And Mr. Q has been here bringing this area life. So,
We're the
y'all know
soul
what
of
to do.
Jomtien, brother. The soul of Jomtien.
I dig it.
There
I
you go.
dig it. Let's ride.
Ain't no good, huh, Chris? Ain't no good.
So, like I was saying, the reason I'm out here, the reason I have my channel is to, influence others and inspire others to show their light, shine their light. We all have an individual light inside of us. And I've been influenced by so many other folks online and even just in life, like the brothers here that I meet. And so with that being said, as a people, as a black people, as melanated people, we all have a light to shine. We all have a gift we can provide to the world. And and with that being said, you have to go out, tap in, and show your light to other people and shine to other people and show them what you can bring to the world. We're not monolithic. We are not pigeonholed. We're not all rocking J's. We're not all spending money on the bling. Ain't nothing wrong with that, but for me, I like to do things different and switch it up and meet meet myself outside of the box and meet myself outside of the box. So I'm out here meeting fellow brothers, meeting fellow not just brothers in melanin, but brothers in spirit and soul. Brothers like this right here, brothers around, Thai brothers, white brothers, Ukrainian brothers, Russian brothers. I don't care, as long as your spirit is bright and shining, let it shine and we be godly brothers together. So with that being said, follow my channel too again, Who Goes So J. Don't be monolithic, be dynamic, shine your light to the world. And follow me, you'll see all my content on there, and hopefully you'll be inspired and hopefully you'll enjoy it as well.
Yo, it sounds like, first of all, that's the banger quote of the day. Don't be monolithic, be dynamic. because that's what you are anyways, right? It's the reason why you watch this content. It's the reason why you so interested in the other brothers that's coming out here. You know you got it in you too.
Yeah.
You know you do. You know you like that. Hey, I'm so glad that things worked out the way they worked out. My phone had died. I was viewing an apartment at the Riviera. So I'm walking over here by the beach, like, all right, I guess I'll just go to the beach and wing it out. And then I'm like, nah, I need a charger. Let me go to 7-Eleven. So I go to 7-Eleven. I ask the lady, can I charge up? They say, nah.
They say no?
They said no. But I bought a charger anyways. And as I bought the charger, I seen him and we just gave each other, you know, what's up.
This all today?
This was just, just earlier. And I'm walking, and then the guy Chris, who owns the shop, you know, he started speaking to me, and then he reintroduced me to Q. And Q was like, oh, what? Come over here and charge up your phone. This was before we talked about food. This was before we talked about, you know, me paying or, you know, patronizing anything. You know, he said, hey, you always got family everywhere in the world. You may not know who they are, but that's what it is. It's family. You know what that is. So he invited me over here to charge up. It ain't been nothing but a good time since. We on meet.
It's godsend, man. It's godsend. You know, look, hey, look at this. I was just walking. You know, I thought I filmed my content for the day. I was done. I was like, man, let me go find something to eat. And then same thing. I saw you because I saw the pants. I said, I love the pants.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yeah.
And that's what I mean. Dynamic, okay? And then I saw the cowboy hat over here with you.
Oh yeah, we got some flow over here.
And then I said, oh man. That's live over there, and then Q snatched me in, and now we look.
Couple beers in, and now you connected.
I'm about to order another.
You guys, I just had the coolest experience here at the Jomtien beach. I'm so grateful I was able to kick it at the Thai seafood and Chinese restaurant. Oh my gosh, you guys. You guys go check out Mr. Q. You know what it is. You see where I'm at. I could go dip my toes in it right now. But first, I must go get my appliances, my bag, from the young lady that I was with earlier who showed me the place. So, once I go grab my stuff, we may dip in the water. Oh, no dipping in water. We actually catch an Uber ride to the last hotel viewing or the last apartment viewing.
I hope I didn't take it for granted.
Came to me with the sweetest smile. Told me he wanted to talk for what he said. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn button. Came to me with the sweetest smile.